All right, this morning I went and picked my groceries up at Walmart. And I love these little Michelin dinners, so I got me 8 of those. Okay, and I needed some crushed pineapple, some bananas, some sausage, and I got some milk, crackers, orange juice, and I got a mushroom soup that I'm going to make, and I needed some chicken broth. And then I got another recipe that needs strawberries. I needed some mustard, some Cool Whip, some butter, and I needed some garlic. I've got a recipe for that too. That's garlic, minced garlic. But that's my haul today. If you like my videos, just like, share, and subscribe. And hit that bell when you want to be notified when I got another video coming out. And thank y'all so much for watching. Happy New Year, y'all.